Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make satay. This is a snack that is common eaten throughout Southeast Asian from Indonesia to Thailand. Thai steak is you can fry with the pork or also the chicken and beef. Thai steak can be found all over the street food of Thailand. And the peanut sauce in this recipe is so good, and you can put on anything you like. Satay in Thailand is often served with a dipping sauce that's made from peanut, palm sugar, and other ingredients. For this recipe, I will use the fillet of the chicken, and you can change to the pork or meat or any kind of meat that you like. Cut the chicken in half along the length of the chicken and slice each piece. And then we're gonna marinate the chicken. First we need to use the coconut milk for 6 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of the curry powder, 1 tablespoon of the turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of the sugar. Stir and mix well, and then pour the marinade over the meat. Massage with your hand, making sure there's no piece of meat are stuck together. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. And then we're gonna skewer the chicken onto the bamboo skewers. And then let's prepare the cucumber pickle, or in Thai we call achar. In a small pot, combine vinegar, sugar, and salt. Bring to a boil and cook just until the sugar is completely dissolved. And then let's cool down completely. 4 tablespoons of the vinegar, half teaspoon of salt, and 3.5 tablespoons of the sugar. And when it's cooled down, press the cucumber, shallot, and chili into the small serving bowl. And the next we gonna make the peanut sauce. In a small pot over medium heat, add 200 grams of the coconut milk, 50 grams of the roast bean, 2 tablespoons of the Massaman sauce or Sa-tae sauce, 50 grams of palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of Tamarin sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and then mix it well. After we add the curry paste and cook over medium-low heat, stir constantly for 2 minutes until it's very thick. If it thickens too quickly, add a bit of the coconut milk to help it loosen them. And you can taste and adjust seasoning with the more sugar, fish sauce, and tamarind juice as you need it. And now our sauce is ready, and the last one is we need to grill the steak. Grill the chicken steak skewer for 2 or 3 minutes on each side until the meat is fully cooked and the surface is nicely charred. And then press some of the coconut milk on the chicken to make it more moisture. And now it's ready to serve with the warm peanut sauce and fresh cucumber pieces and onions sauce. I hope you give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.